Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're enjoying your day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can complete the quest Blindsighted, or rather how to exit the dungeon. So let's get right into it. As you can see on my screen, I have a screenshot of the dungeon which is named Erkinthand. Erkingthand, or however the hell you pronounce it. These dwarven names are just ridiculous. But yeah, this is a part of the Thieves Guild main quest line, in which you will have to search for Mercer. You'll find out that he is trying to steal the big gemstones known as the Eye of the Falmer from a Falmer statue deep inside this dwarven ruin. So yeah, you will arrive here from the quest line, and once you complete the actual dwarven ruin, you will be taken to this room where you will see Mercer stealing the gem. This is what it will look like. This here is Mercer, and this statue will have two gemstone eyes, which he will be taken out. What you want to do when you come here is to, of course, kill Mercer and loot his body for the gemstones and whatever else gear he has. But your main objective is to kill him, and once you do, the actual statue will start collapsing, or the entire room will actually start collapsing. And once it actually starts collapsing, it will start filling up with water. What you want to wait for is for the water to reach the head level of the statue. You can stand on the neck of the statue over here, or rather I guess you could call that a lapel on its uniform. So just stand there, and once it reaches the head level, it will collapse, and it will allow you to actually escape. There is a pipe that is facing away from the statue, as you can see here. This is the point of view from the statue's head. This is the broken pipe, which you can see is covered with the mage light. Go through there. Once the water is up, you can travel up to that. It'll take you to another cave, and all you have to do is escape that cave, and you are pretty much done with this quest. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.